Join me, Sato, in this all-in-one guide to traditional manga and making a successful debut. Hi, I am manga artist Sato. I've created short and long manga, including Killing Time and Fierce Love, while gaining diverse experience in areas such as securing drama adaptation contracts and running a webtoon studio. Drawing, details, and tones are even more important in colorless artwork. Learn everything from basic line drawing skills to creating textures and depth with lines. The key to creating immersive, easy-to-read manga lies in directing. Learn how to direct difficult scenes with action and long dialogue by counter-analyzing other works. Drawing on my experience publishing manga in Japan, I'll share practical tips for launching your career as a manga artist, including how to craft dialogue and submit your work to publishers. I am manga artist Sato. I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.